Welcome to Emma 3D English! Let's learn English together! Good morning! I wake up early every day. This is my daily routine. I get out of bed and start my day.
First, I brush my teeth. I put toothpaste on the brush. Now, I brush in circles. All done! My teeth are clean. Then, I wash my face. I turn on the water and splash my face. My face feels so fresh and towel. I choose my clothes for the day. This yellow dress is pretty, but I think the pink shirt and blue shorts are perfect. I get dressed quickly. See? All done. I comb my hair and smile. Look how nice it looks. I make my bed every morning. Nice and neat. I open the window and enjoy fresh air. Ah, that feels so nice.
Now, I go to the kitchen.
I make a cup of tea. Pouring the hot tea now.
I sit and eat my breakfast.
The food is very delicious.
I check my phone for a moment. I drink some juice.
I clean the table. All clean now. I put the dishes in the sink. Now, I am ready for my day. I pick up my bag. I pick up my bag. I wear my shoes. I check myself in a mirror. I leave my home. I walk on the street. I greet my neighbor. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. The bus arrives. I get on the bus.
I sit in the classroom. I sit in the classroom.
All right, class, it's important to listen.
I listen to my teacher.
That's right, Grace. Very good. I write notes. I read my English book.
I answer the question.
I practice speaking English. I talk with my friend.